Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is SkyTech Digital. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can be able to add a new user in your WordPress website. So let's say you have a website like this and then you want to add a user. It could be a subscriber, it could be an editor, it could be an administrator, anyone you want to add, so that the person can be able to log into your website and then do some changes. So let's say you want to add an editor who will be publishing blogs for you, okay, as a user on your website. Now this is the easiest way you can be able to do it by yourself. Now go to your dashboard over here, okay, and then you see this menu over here. Now of course you need to log into your website, so you see this menu over here, okay. So on your left side, when you see the menu over here, hover on users over here, okay. You see users over here, you can see all users, you can see add new and then profile. Now all users will show you all the users on your website. Add new will give you a page whereby you can be able to add new users, and then profile will give you a profile of your yourself, okay, as a user on the website. It will give you your profile of yourself, the profile of yourself. So what we're going to do is we're going to add new, okay. So click on add new because we want to add a new user. Now enter the email address of the user, the username of the user, the email address, the first name, the last name, the website, if you have the password. If you want to use the generated one, you can use. And then this one says what, send user notification, okay. And then this one is the role, the user roles, okay. So now the name is, let's say I want to add a name like Kobe, okay. And then the email address, I want to say skytechdigital .com@gmail.com. And then the first name, let's say I want to say Kobe as well. And then the last name also I want to say, let's say Kobe, okay. Now of course this is just a demo thing I'm doing. And then the website, if you know the website, if the person have a website, you can type it over there. If the person doesn't, you can also leave it as it is. Now of course password over here, you can decide to generate the password, or you can give the person a temporary password, and then later on the person can change their password, okay. So let's say I want to give a password as, let's say Kobe at 2020, or let's say 2022.com, okay. That is the password I'm giving. And then you see the password should be very strong, okay. That is the most important thing. And that is why I added this symbol and this dot to it, so that it will make it strong. And then also you see this one is a capital, it makes it very, very strong. And then also with the user notification, if you want to notify the user that an account has been created on this website for the person, you can do so. And then the user role, now this is where you change the user, or you assign user role to the person, okay. So the person could be a subscriber, contributor, author, editor, and then administrator. Now administrator have the highest role on the website, okay. The administrator can delete this person, this person, this person, and this person, okay. And the editor role also follows with the administrator, okay. So the editor can do all other editing things on the software, like creating a page, creating posts, SEOs, and all those things the editor can do. And then the author only create post, okay. So it's to publish post and other stuff. And then the contributor also have a role of creating posts and all. And then the subscriber is just a subscriber to the website, doesn't have really much role to do on the website. Or what the subscriber does is he has subscribed to the website. Any information or anything that is supposed to get, you get it on the website, okay. So that is just basically a subscriber. So let's say we want to add an editor who will give him the role to be able to create pages and edit our pages for us, okay. So we say editor, okay. And then all what we need to do is click on add new. So guys, as you see, they said the email already exists, okay. So I have already registered with this email already, so it means that there is no way you can create any other user with the same email. Okay, so let's say I want to change the email to a different email. So let's say I want to change the email to this email. Okay, so of course I can still maintain all this and then still keep my my password as 2022.com. okay, and then choose the role as editor, and then I can add new user. Okay guys, as you can see, the new user is added. Okay, the new user is added, and that is Kobe over here. Okay, so Kobe, and the reason why I have a picture over here is that this email address is registered on WordPress. Okay, and that is how you can be able to add a new user to your website. Now of course the user will get an email. So if I go and then check my email, I will see that I have gotten a new email. This is the email, okay, over here perfectly. So the email has been sent to my mailbox, and then I can to set my password, I can click on this and then go and then set up my password. So this is how you can be able to add a user to your WordPress website. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.